Today I'm going to show you how I went from this terrible looking tile to this refresh tile and grout combination with a product called Grout Renew. Well, there's no secret, my floor looks like crap. Recently I asked my wife, why do we pick such a ugly color combination? I mean, look at this. It looks ridiculous. But the truth is, we didn't pick this color combination. We didn't say, hey, let's get some light tile with some baby poop colored grout. Just like real baby poop tile takes time to manifest. It's got to be fed a lot before it comes out looking and be as revolting as this tile is right now. There's a time in a diaper that you know, boy, I need to change it. Just like this tile. But do I need to tear this whole thing out and start all over? No, I don't. Let me show you what I did and the steps I took to make this tile look like this again. Full disclosure, my original plan was use existing grout and kind of put it all over the tile and kind of regrout. But I didn't like the color I had just laying around the house, so I went to go buy some more. And that's when I found this stuff, Grout Renew. And no, I'm not using Velcro. Here's the tools you'll need. You'll need some acidic cleaner for the grout, a bucket to mix your cleaner, a brush, a towel, Grout Renew, color of your choice, a small brush to apply the Grout Renew, plastic scrapers, and one hand. Oh wait, that's me. The very first thing you want to do is pick up your brush, put some of the acetone or the grout cleaner, and then just use it to scrub. You got to scrub out the areas that you want to put the epoxy on. And I chose this area as the example because I really wanted to show kind of the before and the after on one shot. And then what I do is I let that sit for just a few seconds, maybe up to 30 seconds to really get as much cleaning as it can. And then once that's done, I will take the rag and wipe out the areas, wipe down the areas of where I've cleaned, and then let that dry for a second. And now the fun starts. You get to do some painting. That's basically what it is. You're painting your grout lines. And you don't have to be perfect here. Just make sure you get a good coat. You can always put another coat on, but doing this to grout, with as much grout as you probably have, you don't want to do it twice. Just put a nice liberal coat on. And you might be wondering why I have paper towels right here. I have a damp paper towel and a dry paper towel. And what I use for the damp paper towel, or either one of the paper towels, is to take my finger and then scrape down the grout line, just to make the grout line a little bit more accurate. Now, here's the deal. The reason why I showed some of the plastic, some of the things you need, is because of this. I missed this right here, and there's grout, there's some of the epoxy right here. Take your soft piece of plastic and you can scrape that off because your tile is not as porous as your grout. So here it is, the finished product. I am very happy with it. We've had a couple accidents from our dogs and it cleaned right up, so that's good news. I wish I could tell you whether it's going to last 2-3 years. I can't from personal experience, but I've seen other YouTubers that have had it on for at least 2 years and they have nothing but good things to say. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. And if you know anyone else in the limb loss community that can maybe benefit from knowing that someone with limb loss goes out and does things, let them know about my channel. I also have a podcast called We're Not Stumped, where I interview other people in the limb loss community. So if there's anyone that wants to be on my podcast, please let me know. Thanks a lot and have a great day.